Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing more work on the car. I think I'm just going to be removing some of the more parts, I guess, off the car, like the front mud guards and maybe the rear spoiler, and maybe do some more body work. Body work is just going to be an ongoing process because I'm going to be doing it over and over again until the areas are smooth, essentially. So let's just get to work. So here I'm removing the screws for the mud guards. There are 3 metal screws in the front and a plastic screw on the bottom of the mud guard. I should have rotated the tire the other way to have more room to work, which I was too lazy to do. I figured as long as I could get my tools in there, then I'm good. So this is the years of dirt trapped in here, I guess, from the previous owner. That's a lot of freaking dirt. Check out all that dirt. There's like a whole bunch of dirt and there's still more in there. I think this previous owner of this car probably went off-roading or something. Like, this is a ton of dirt. Now onto the passenger side mudguard. Now here, that plastic Phillips clip was giving me some trouble that's on the bottom of the mudguard. It stripped out and wouldn't budge. I ended up having to pry the clip out with a whole bunch of, I guess, like small screwdrivers and other things. I guess old car problems. Just like the other side, it's filled with dirt. So I'm gonna clean all this dirt out. Yeah, definitely years of dirt piling up in this fender. Alright guys, so as I'm prepping for taking all the body stuff off to get ready for paint and body work, the hood has this seal here. I've got the lip off. There's I guess that molding that was on here that goes along here, and that really pushes against this molding, so I popped that off already. So now I'm just gonna pop the rest of this, I guess this rubber molding off. I don't want to break it, so what I'm gonna do is basically use like this tool here, and I'm gonna try to pry on it and see if I can get them off. They're actually just like little prongs like that hold in here. So since this is rubber and all, it's likely that it could break. So it's best to kind of get this right in there and pop it off. So I'm going to try it out and see if that works. So yeah, this tool actually works really well to get some of these off. I'll just show you guys real quick with this one molding here. I mean, this one clip here. So basically just wedge it in there and then you just pry and it does come out. Like, it just fits right in. And there you go. And it's fine, as you can see. It's not broken or anything. So I think this is the easiest way to pop this off without damaging this seal. So I'm gonna go around and just pop them all off. Onto removing the spoiler now. I'm going to remove the spoiler so that I can work on some of the dents around the area and on the roof, of course. And here's where one of the spoiler bolts snapped off. That's just great. I hear it's pretty common to snap these bolts. I didn't even use much force, to be honest. Alright, so now let's get to some of the body work. I'm going to sand down some of the dents on the roof that I've already marked off. to clean off some of that sanding dust with a microfiber and my shop vac. I bondoed the dents and now I'm just sanding them down. Now onto the passenger side to refine all the Bondo areas. I decided to run my shop vac while sanding to reduce the dust levels. Sanding this stuff gets hella dusty. Alright guys, that's basically it for today. As you can see, I'm super dusty, but I think everything's smooth. I'll have to clean off the dust and feel around with my hands just to make sure everything's good, but so far so good. Stay tuned for a future video where I repair the broken spoiler stud. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.